Hi, I'm Randy. I'm an experience manager with a software firm. I'm rating Miro. I give it a 5. And for more videos like this, please click below. So we looked at tools to kind of provide a visual representation of workshop charts, whiteboards, things like that that we would use in live workshopping sessions. And we looked at tools like Envision and Sketch that are kind of design tools, but they're very flexible, but you can't use them quickly. And then we looked at tools like Draw.io, Visio, Lucidchart, things like that, where you had a lot more flexibility in creating diagrams and charts and things like that, but they didn't have the kind of collaborative tools that we needed or the workspace management tools that we needed. So we chose Miro because it had that combination of all the things that we needed. It was very flexible and easy to use to build a workspace, a visual workspace the way you wanted it. You could collaborate easy with your team members. It was also easy to share materials with partners and clients. So it was that combination of all of those features together into one package so that we could do it all with one tool. Very easy to onboard with the team. Our designers are used to those kinds of visual tools, so there was no problem there. And actually all we had to do was learn the additional features that Miro has to make it easy to define subspaces within the larger workspace, things like that, their particular collaboration features, the things that Miro offers in addition to kind of the static charting and drawing tools. So that didn't take long at all. And in terms of integrating it into our process, that was pretty easy. We just had to learn how to manage that while we were managing a Zoom session or whatever we were using, and then present that as we would anything else in a live webinar session. So it was pretty easy to onboard and integrate. So I would definitely recommend to explore the tool, learn the features that are available, just to dive into the weeds for 1 second. So it's tempting when you first start to do something like drag a rectangle shape onto the workspace and use that as a background. But the problem with that is you end up clicking on the background instead of your objects. Instead, use their frame feature, for example. That's what it's made for. It really helps split up your workspaces. Just play with it long enough to learn those kinds of features that are built in. Also, look at the template library. There's a lot of people that like myself, who use different workshopping templates for different needs. And a lot of those they have shared. So there are pre-built templates out there. Their visual style may differ a little bit from what you want, but the point is they've already got the structure developed. They've done a lot of the work, so you can take that and kind of modify it to fit your needs. So both of those, I think, would be very helpful for anybody getting started with Miro.